we're gonna do some Space Jam. So it's a streaming kind of day today. It's about my third or fourth time streaming today. So yeah, we're gonna do Space Jam on Try Hack Me, King of the Hill again. So that's some exciting stuff like right there. We'll see how it goes. No, I just played one King of the Hill. I've not played in a very long time. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I've not played King of the Hill in a very long time. So, I mean, going back and playing it again, this is new for me. Let's go ahead and run an mmap scan on that. And we have port 20. Telnet. What? Let's try Telnet. Telnet in this guy. Why is Telnet up and running? Okay, so we got Space Jam login, Space Jam password. Huh. That's weird. I've never really seen Telnet running on these guys. So that's what's kind of weird to me. Let's go ahead and throw a rust scan at it. So we got port 80, port 9999, which is the Abyss. We don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and check out port 80 over here. Oh, Michael Jordan. Go. Okay, custom fonts. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go ahead and run a Python 3, a dirt search for this guy. Now, the one thing, kind of the reason I stopped playing King of the Hills was because everybody knew like the answers and they already had scripts like made for them. So like it would literally start and the guy would become root. You're like, what the heck happened? So I kind of stopped with it for a while. Came back to it just earlier, and yeah, it seemed like well, it seemed like the other guy wasn't even playing. I don't know, but it did seem like it wasn't doing that anymore. But you'll keep seeing like the same person be, king the whole time. So if you get something like that, just do what you know how to do. Go ahead and look at it, see what you can do and everything, and yeah, just kind of go from there. I wonder if we can do like a port 23. Let's see if we can do like a banner grab or something like that with it. Not really looking like it, but I'm doing that Python 3 dirt search. Let's go ahead and see if they have any type of robots.txt right through that. They do not. Okay. I wonder if they have like an uploads or an uploads. Uploads. Nothing on there. Okay. Didn't really see anything. Let's see here. We got the about, got the contact, and it says Freelancer is a free bootstrap thing created by Michael Jordan. What is this Freelancer? CSS Freelancer. Let's see what that's all about. Search exploit. We'll look up Freelancer. Let's try that. We got Freelancer. We got quite a few different things. We got an arbitrary file upload. We have an SQL injection. I wonder if it's any of those guys or if it's one of those two, like right there. It's not really telling us which one it is. Also, I'm not seeing like a README in here. Version. There's 391 V's. Now you can try that. So, but it is saying freelancer.min.css. So theme CSS might be able to do something with that. We could try one of these guys over here. We do have a /CSS. Let's go ahead and bring that. Make a directory for this one's called Space Jam, right? And looks like we also have a flag in here. So let's go ahead and check out that /flag. And no, we get to a parent directory. Okay. We go back. All right, that's weird. Something like that. Huh. Index of flag. Icons back. Okay. That's also strange. C equals D. O equals A. What is that? What are you trying to tell me here, child? Alright. Huh. That's a weird one. See if this guy's got anywhere yet. Not looking like it. Cool. We have a /install, images. What's this install? /install. What is that guy? Is that to install a CMS? Nothing in there. Okay. Mail. Contact me.php. This is something. It's not helping out at all. I was really hoping there would be something in the mail. like right there. That'd be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and do a rust scan again, this guy, just in case he wasn't fully up and running yet, and we might have missed something or something like that. So let's go ahead and do a rust scan of this guy. Port 3000 now. See, you always nmap TAC SV TAC P 3000. That's that right? And we'll go ahead and boom. There we go. See what's on port 3000. That could also be something in here. So let's try it with port 3000. The command parameter is unidentified or undefined. Really, the command parameter. What? Okay. Python 3 dir search FPY. I know that's a little bit hard to see. There you go. And 10.10.209.171 3000. Am I going to do a command equals or something like that? Command parameter is undefined. 3000 PHP question mark command equals ID. Some crap like that. I don't know. 3000. That is a new one for me. Command parameter is unidentified. I don't know. That is a new one for me. That one's a really, really weird one, like right there. We got /test. Let's go check that out, like right there. Another parent directory. Nothing. I wonder if 3000 is talking back to there. Node.js. Okay, so it does not have a. Okay. The service PPP. What was that like? No, that's PPG. Good privacy. We have a /local. We have a vendor. Let's try /local. Just trying everything now. /local. Okay, we got some carrots there. That's nice. All right. What about vendor? All right, we got Bootstrap, jQuery, font awesome free, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. It's all JavaScript and JavaScript. Okay, so that's all JavaScript stuff for the vendor stuff. We do have a scripts. See what that's all about. And again, nothing at all again. So this is a weird one, like right here. Not really finding what I want to be able to find, but that command parameter. That's where was that? 3000 question mark command equals ls. Oh ho ho! Really now? Okay, so we found like whatever that command parameter was doing. Question mark command equals ls, and we got it. All right, so let's see here. Equals pwd. We could probably put in. I wonder if it has netcat. Can I just do netcat? There's no. Okay, so it does have netcat. Netcat is available. Netcat traditional package. So it doesn't have a TAC-E or anything like that. Now we gotta check out. Does it have Python? How is that one script written? Scripts. Netcat reverse shell. Okay, so we can probably run this one like right here. So let's go ahead and copy that guy in there. And we'll go ahead and throw my IP address in. Remember, we're now listening on port 4242. So let's go ahead and NC TAC LVMP for 4242. Okay, we'll go ahead and stop that guy. ifconfig. And hopefully this one like right here gets us at least into the machine. Then we can start working out from there. Boom. And we'll go ahead and throw that into there. Enter, and hopefully it takes that whole thing. There was a running error. Connection failed. Unexpected end of file. Wonder if we need to actually command that. Something like that in there. And still connection failed. Unexpected end of the file. So now maybe I can't use a reverse shell, or maybe I can't use that reverse shell. How about that? So do we have Python? Can we do a which Python? My Python one-liners, they always seem to give me problems though. Well, let's go ahead and cat that guy. Oh, yep. Talking to myself. Good job, Ryan. All right. Let's go ahead and cat my scripts Python. Python sandbox today. Reverse Python .text. Let's go ahead and grab that guy, like right there, and we'll go ahead and change that IP address to 10.9.8.166. Control V, we'll change the IP address to 10.9.8.166. Don't know if I need that tax C at the beginning. I'm going to try it at first, and that is 4242. We're listening on that port. Go ahead and hit enter. That was kind of hanging there, and we get a response, and we are root. Wow, we are root already. So let's cd in root, and let's go ahead and cat that root.txt. Now my question is where the heck is everything else? And are we supposed to be root? Was that supposed to happen? Where's like the king.txt? So let's echo overgrown caret 1 into what is called king.txt. Cat king.txt. Now that's in the root folder there. It's not. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Oh, was I just messing up? Was I not looking? Okay, yeah, that was cutting me off. Okay, so dot forever? What is that? CD to dot forever. We'll try that one. CD in dot forever. I did get a text message. Let me see what that is all about. Mine's flight for HM SAS got pushed tomorrow. Okay. Alright, LS stack LA in there. Nothing in there. Okay. So let's go ahead and CD into home. Do an LS stack LA. We'll CD into bunny. And we'll see there's a user.txt right there. We can go ahead and cat that. And we can probably start exiting out of stuff. Exit. 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 Stop him. Exit. And let me actually get this whole screen like right here. It feels weird having that whole screen like that, so I'm just going to do that. So we'll cat that user.txt, and we do have him now. And we also, let's go ahead and cat my scripts. Cat scripts. And we'll look for user flag. Find user text.txt. We can go ahead and just try that, I guess. Because this one is user.txt. It's not flag.txt, so that's why I did that like right there. Jordan has one, Bunny has one, and that's looking like it's about it. CD and well, we can just cat Jordan's like right there. There we go. And I am the king over here. Cool. So I'm the king of the hill like right now. Let's go ahead and CD back into root. See if there's anything with MySQL running. We do have MySQL history there. So let's go ahead and try to figure out how to get into this MySQL. So let's CD into var www.html. Did that flag not go through? We only have 2 flags. Submit. Uh-oh, flag is already submitted. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that home bunny user.txt. Same flag twice in a row? It is. So I just did Jordan's and Bunny's is the same as that flag. That's really weird. Because this one was Jordan, right? Yep, Jordan's and Bunny's the same one. That's weird. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's get into here. We have a flag in here. CD into flag. Now, I could always just mess them up and just do like a echo. You know what I could do? We'll do this. We'll echo. Stack E to encode, right? Or is it just base 64? Yep, there we go. We can echo that into here. Okay. Well, we can echo that guy into flag.text. Do something like that. Now whenever he goes to that flag site, he should see a flag.text. So if he goes to flag, he should see flag.text, he clicks on that, and he gets this, and then that's that base 64. Haha, there was never anything in here in the first place, or to begin with. CV back. Don't mess with that dude. Scripts, images, image, index, install. CV back again. Mail, I'm not seeing anything except for maybe index.html. I'm not seeing anything else. Try local. So let's go ahead and CD. Let's try to actually look at all those things. HTML, CD into local. We have Carrot, fantastic blog, huh? What is that? Wow, we got a lot in here. Okay, we got readme.txt. We probably forgot what version we're running here with that. We got about.php, contact, category counter, or there's like a footer, header, so like an index.php or something that's normally freaking large, not really seeing much. Search, single, images, index.php. do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna try something real quick. So I did this on a test at one point before. I mean, it was just to show you could, but little sublime text index.php. Oh, God bless me. What I did is I did this on a test at one point. Put scripts like that in there. Just show, because I was a low-level user, just show that I could do that as that user, which was something I shouldn't have been able to do. And the scripts ended up working that I put in there. So I want to just kind of see if I can do that again. And I can, it looks like, nano index.php. Can I do that? Okay, Vim. Well, no, what we can do is we can just actually echo that, or we can just actually do a wget, huh? Python, attack m, simple server 8888, we can do a wget. Let me grab my IP address over here. We can do wget http 8888, whoops, 8888 index.php. Let's see if that actually worked, like right there. So let's go ahead and go to fantastic blog, it looks like, for that CMS that we had. I don't remember what port that was even on. Let me try to find that stuff. So that was on port, it wasn't 3000. It was definitely just our regular port that we had running. And it was called, I don't remember this, where I even am. Was it local? /local / fantastic blog. And yep, that did work. So as you can see, I put a cross-site scripting in here, and it does pop up, you lost, question mark. Cool. Where is this guy? He's probably not actually playing though, that's the problem. You know I was here, I tell you that much like right now. So I'm wondering, is there any other flags anywhere? That's really what my problem is like right now, is where the heck are all these other flags at? There's my readme. We could try to do stuff with there. We could try to do stuff inside of here. We could probably drop cookies back to us, things like that. We're not going to do that because they could be his actual real cookies, which is not cool. Let's go ahead and look at that index.html. Yeah, we just got the carrot.jpg. Okay. Cool. There's some scripts in there. We got an install, like I said, a flag. We probably put script in there if we really wanted to. Image, IMG, images. Why do we have an IMG and also an images? Let's go ahead and CD an IMG. CD in a portfolio. I really just want to find more flags. And I'm wondering if we should just change this to like flag.txt or something like that. Yeah, let's just change that to flag.txt and we'll see what happens with that. But I mean, I got into them. Yeah, that's the only flag.txt is the one that I created. I did get into them. We became root user. I can't seem to find any more flags. There's 2 flags in there. 2 of them are the same. Bunny and Jordan are the exact same thing. So I mean, you know, kind of crushed that one. Like right there. Might be able to do something inside of here. Register. We actually, yeah, sorry, sign up is temporarily disabled. Back. Okay, I wonder if we can actually see like who's in there. CD into there again. I wonder if we can actually see like who is actually up and in here and things like that. We got a database. That could be something in the database file. So let's go ahead and CD in the database that was 2020, the newest database, I guess. Or if that's a backup file. I wonder what that is. That database file. We just CD into it, right? CD in database. What am I now allowed to do? Okay. There we go. Connection PHP DB connect. Let's go ahead and cat that guy like right there. Database connect. Failed to connect to MySQL. Blah blah. Okay. Localhost root password blog. It's not telling us what anything actually is though. Cat connect.php. So we definitely have a. Let's try MySQL. Tac u root. Tac p. And see if we can just type in password. Or maybe it's blank. Oh, nope, we are into that. Okay, now we're somewhere. Let's go ahead and show databases. Now we are somewhere, and my son is, man, he's a good boy. He's a good sleeper. So we have private, like right here. That looks like something that we might want to check out. So let's go ahead and use private. Show tables. Jordan. Select star from Jordan. So that just means select everything from Jordan. That's all that means, like right there. And there's nothing in there. Wow. Okay. Show databases. Man, there's nothing in this guy, is there? Blog information sys, I guess. We can go there. Show tables. Okay, we got something in here. Accession, user summary by statement. I just want like user session. I'm gonna keep that for now because that might be session tokens. You know what? Let's see. Select star from session. Is this? No. Okay, I was gonna see if it was like session tokens that we could actually use as like to get in. So like maybe in here, if we could do like if we could do maybe like a print screen or a F12, go to storage and put in our session tokens into here. I think that would be pretty cool, you know. Right now it does say blog name, blog admin, value, whatever. So I was thinking maybe we could do something like that. Because I have done that before. I wonder what this one is. X session. Let's try that. Select star from X sessions. Boom. I feel like I don't. Oh, I 100% do. You're right. So select star from X $ session. And doesn't look like we have anything in here either. Okay. Show table, show databases. That's not going to work. And we have blog. Where did I go so far? Sys and private. Let's try, I guess we tried MySQL. We tried blog. Let's go ahead and use blog. Show tables. That's not correct. Show tables. Nothing really in there either. Membership users. Select star from membership users. Okay, we got an MD5 hash now. So let's go ahead and let's do something with this. Alright, so let's go ahead and make directory, or actually CD into Space Jam, right? We're still in Space Jam, right? I think. Let's go ahead and nano a admin pass dot text. Is that a real email also? Let's say admin, and it says that's an MD5. So hopefully that's within my stuff. So we'll do a John tac format equals raw tac MD5, and it's obviously not going to be the one that we're doing. Admin pass.text fork equals 4 format, and we're using word list, user share word list, rocky.text on that guy, and admin is admin. Okay, cool. So we may be able to log in. Maybe I should have just tried that at first. Sign in with admin. Let's try that like real quick. I don't know if this is going to work. It does. That does work. Alright. I have no idea what I'm looking at or what I'm going to do in here. But I am admin now. I mean, I'm doing stuff. Links, view. Let's view some links, I guess. Facebook, Twitter. Okay. View the categories. Hello, admin. Hello. Tricks, hacks, offers. Let's see. Hacks. Alright, that's weird. Okay. Now what I'm wondering is, go ahead and look at that URL again. View.php. Okay, nothing crazy in there. Drafts. Nope, guess not. Categories. Okay, blogs. This is some weird stuff, like right here, admin stats. Access denied. Using password, no. But I did use a password. Liars, I did. Show tables. I'll just look at it this way then. Admin stats. Is it in here? No, okay. Well, there's a link. Select star from links. That'll give us all links. Oh, that's all these links in here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I don't really see what else to actually do on this guy. So I mean, I'm done as far as I can see. I'm pretty much finished with that. I mean, I'll stick around for a minute in case you guys want to see anything else, but there's nothing else really in here to actually do. I mean, they can get to, I don't know if I can upload a reverse shell in this guy or something like that, maybe. Is there anywhere to upload stuff? Web details, links, maybe upload a reverse shell into links, maybe. Show all, filters, save, print view, admin area. What do we got here? There's my admin area. Query, select count from titles. Oh, really? Groups, members, utilities, thumbnails, mail all users, database backups. I could always do that. I mean, I don't know what else to do. And after this, so I don't think this guy has got anywhere yet. Not looking like it. I make sure so he doesn't get anywhere at all. We can shut down different ports, stuff like that. I won't, because don't really see a reason for that. I'm wondering if we can make a photo be a reverse shell in here. If we can add a new one, and because it looks like they upload those folders, right? So we could say, yeah, we want a photo. I wonder if we can do something like that. So let's say pond. Hopefully that's what it's going to be. Category. Yeah, sure. Devices. I mean, it doesn't say hacks. There we go. Tags. Pond. Content. Pond. Alright. Let's try to browse and let's go ahead and throw one of the ones that I already had on here. I had one in, just did one of these. So that was in King of the Hill, and I had one in Shrek that I literally just did. Shell.php. And that's also, we got the, remember, if you watch that one, they also have the GIF 89 on it. So I'll show you that, or GIF, whatever you want to call it. But let me go ahead and cat that like real quick. That one is in Shrek, right? And then it's shell.php, right? So it's a regular PHP reverse shell, right, that you get from Pentest Monkey. Now, one thing about this guy will not work on Windows. At least I can never get it to work on Windows. How about that? But I do have my IP address in here. But if I come all the way up to the top, I do have this GIF89A magic characters in there, magic bytes. And that's going to tell this guy that it's a GIF file. So I don't know if we can actually do anything with that. I have no idea. If it needs to be a GIF file, if it doesn't, if it needs to be a PNG file, don't know if we can intercept it along the way. I do not know. This is the very first time I've ever seen this, and I have not done King of the Hill in a very long time. So let's go ahead and save that. Error. Okay, so only JPEG, GIF, PNG files can be uploaded. Now, is it looking at it client side or server side? That's the next question. So let's go ahead and try to intercept that request and see which side it's looking at it from. Let's go ahead and move that shell.php to shell.php.gif. So it's definitely looking at the extension name. We know that much because it didn't look inside of it all, or else it would have said, oh, I'm still a Space Jam. Copy Shrek shell.php to here, and then we'll go ahead and move that. Now, because we know that it's looking at the file extension, because this guy supposedly is a GIF file, right? So let's go ahead and try to re-upload that. And this time we're going to intercept that request. And we're going to use Burp Suite and try to delete it off the back end of it. So I have Burp Suite, intercept back on. We'll go ahead and try to upload that. King of the Hill, Space Jam, shell, php.gif, save new. You cannot leave this field empty. Oh, okay. What field? Okay. Hack. Right, is that what we were going to call it? Oh, you fucker. Turn off. Okay. Hacks. Alright, cool. Now we'll turn this guy back on. Let's go ahead and do a boom, boom. Alright, and we'll photo. Yes, we do have a photo there. Okay, I don't know what that was for. Ah, you fuckers. Did you get rid of all of it? No, I just got rid of category again. Man, that's annoying. And we're also getting an HTML field in here too. You notice that? What if we can do like a H1? H1 pond and then end. H1. What if we do something like that where it's now bigger? We try that like right there. Wonder how jacked up this site actually is. That's all. Okay, so we'll try to upload that and we'll go ahead and give current view. Let's see here. PHP, boom, boom. Trying to figure out like where it's actually uploading at. Doesn't look like. There it is. So we got shell.php.gif. Let's go ahead and get rid of that and see if it's doing client side or if it's doing client and server side validation. So let's repeater to see what's going to happen here. Blog admin, website details, blog character. Did it? It looks like it did. Maybe. Let's go back to proxy and forward that off. And we'll see what happens. Okay, so no, it did not take it. So it is doing both server and client side request there. We could try to do it with just not even deleting that stuff off. But sometimes the PHP reverse shell gets messed up, and you did notice that this content did become bigger all of a sudden. So there's something like right there too. So let's go ahead and just try to browse just for that guy. And we'll say publish, save new. Failed ID doesn't have a default value. The above info is displayed because currently showing as a super admin. Other users won't see this. Huh. Author admin, post published. Okay. So what is this back? Alright, so let's go ahead and jump to, I guess, hacks? Blogs? It was under hacks, wasn't it? Blog categories. We put it underneath hacks, right? Hacks. And it doesn't look like there's really anything in there. Do we even do anything? Doesn't look like we did much with that. It might be somewhere. It probably is somewhere, but doesn't really look like we did much. Can we... Here, the admin wrote about this. Categories and hacks. But it didn't upload our cool new blog that we had. Well, that's kind of a pain in the butt. I don't have an ID. Maybe that's what it's talking about. What is this photo thing right here? Why does it do that? Maximum allowed size, allowed type. Blank.gif. Images blank.gif. So I'm wondering, you know what? We're in their stuff, right? So let's go ahead and exit out of here. I got an idea. So we're in their stuff like right now, and we are in their blogs area, right? Let's go ahead and make ourselves like kind of a backdoor kind of thing here. We're in blogs. Okay. Blog admin. Wondering database. Okay. Fantastic blog. Blog admin. Blogs view. Okay. So let's go ahead and CD into blog admin. Now this is going way, way above and beyond what we have to do. Just so you know, way above. And we want to look at blogs, right? And that was a picture of, what is that? That is blank.gif. If we look at the bottom left there, we see blog admin images blank.gif. So let's go ahead and CD into images now. And we should have a blank.gif sitting in here, which we don't. Blank.gif. Okay. Let's try to do a strings with it. See if there's anything even in it. Let's pull my strings down for you. Okay, well, let's just try to cat it. I'm just trying to see if there's even a picture in there. It's definitely a GIF. GIF 89A. So now what I'm wondering, can we put a reverse shell into there? So can we copy? So can we remove that, remake it, and put a reverse shell in there? And would that work? Because it's not P. Because right now it's going to blank.gif. We could always change the page to go somewhere else. So that whenever you click on that button, it actually moves to something else, such as in like something.php. That wouldn't work because we'd have to actually change it. So yeah, we'd have to change it so that it goes to a totally different page, which I'll leave to you guys. All right. If you guys want to do something like this, you could actually change. So if we click here, okay, Control U didn't even work with that guy. We should be able to see where this is being pulled from and everything like that, and we should be able to change it. Should be able to do everything it wants to do, but and then create some type of reverse shell and totally change where the file's even going to. So we could change it to a .php. So when you click on this photo thing, it actually doesn't load up blank.gif. It actually loads up. So we would be in blogs.php. It would actually load up your PHP reverse shell, thus allow you to get a reverse shell. I'm gonna leave that to you guys. You guys have fun with that, and that's about it. So hope you guys learned something. I definitely learned a couple of interesting things. Didn't really find that one very difficult. A lot easier than the last one. A lot less flags also.